बेसुमार अथाह अगणित अतुल्य ज्यों बुलावहो त्यों नानक दास बोले। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable six siblings and respectful listeners, today we will try to discuss on this point who are burdened on the earth planet. Please listen again carefully. Who are burdened on the earth planet? Normally, there are many people are saying the many things in this world are polluted to the environment of earth planet. All these things are looking very dangerous and terrible, as well as these type of all things are very terrible and burden on the earth planet. What according to the spirituality of Sikhism, meanwhile 4 centuries ago, this kind of question was asked by one devotee of Sikhism to the first author of the very respectful Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, the first author of the sermons of Sikhism Gurus. 4 centuries ago, one devotee asked a question to the first author, namely Bhai Gurdas Ji. He asked Bhai Gurdas Ji, "Oh Bhai Gurdas Ji, who are burdened on the earth planet?" That time, the first author of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, namely Bhai Gurdas Ji, replied in poetic form, only few words in one line. That time, he replied the answer in poetic form, "Pare poe akirit khan mandi hu mande." Pare meaning burden, akirtkan meaning ungrateful people. It means ungrateful people are burdened on the earth planet. मंदी हूँ मंदे, and very evil of evils and sinner of sinners. Ungrateful people are very dangerous and terrible, as well as burden on the earth planet. The meaning of ungrateful meaning, my honorable listeners, like for example, if you forget the philanthropy as well as the benevolence of benevolent people, if you forget the helpings and supports of those people who are helped you in the past time without any desire, only in benevolence manner. They have supported you, helped you, but you have forgotten. This type of action is known as ungrateful action. This kind of action is made to the people ungrateful. So according to the first author of the sermons of Sikhism, namely Bhai Gurdas ji, ungrateful people is very burden on the earth planet. So finally, lastly, I want to say you, my honorable Sikh siblings and respectable listeners, please try to keep safe your life from the ungrateful manners, because ungrateful people are very terrible and dangerous burden on the earth planet. So these kind of thoughts I tried to discuss with you. I already know I have done many mistakes in this lecture. Please pardon me, forgive me. Lastly, you speak out with loudly voice. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।